Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 VW Tiguan Match. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 38 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 19,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This particular colour is the metallic deep black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. The condition continues inside, so you've got a nice clean interior. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, active cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Tiguan's a great car for family, so nice raised driving position, lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents which they can control the temperature in the centre there, as well as the clever fold-away picnic tables. And it's good to see the car's got the carpet floor mat still from Volkswagen as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a really good sized boot with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its highest point at the moment, but you can lower that if you wish to increase the volume. And below that, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 19-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.